Hi guys, it's Deb from Addicted to Nomad out here outside of Hanksville, Utah at Moon Overlook. Exciting news. I got my pilot license, my FAA certified remote pilot certificate. Came in the mail, passed the test. I couldn't have done it without Pilot Institute. They really have an awesome program and guarantee that you pass, which I did. And I passed with a 93%. If you get over 90, they send you a free t-shirt. I got the lanyard from the drone show, so I just wanted to give them a shout out that now that I'm officially licensed and legal, I know where I can and can't fly, and this is one of the places I wanted to come and fly my drone, so take a look at what I did.